Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a day. What a day indeed it has been on the stock market. We've seen the return of Virgin Galactic. I think it's a bit of a, well, it could be quite dangerous because tomorrow the CPI report, things could go the other way. So we need to prepare for both eventualities. Let's get straight into our trades and see where we are right now. This is our position right now. We are up 1.69, 34,215. Very nice indeed. If it's your very first time here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. And smash the like button. And today we're doing it again. If we get 100 likes, we will give away a cash prize on the show. Fantastic. All right, are you ready? Let's get into it. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome everybody on Live Streamer Cafe, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, multiple websites, wherever you are watching this afternoon. Thank you for joining me. Okay, this is my position. As you can see, there we go, up 1.69. Looks great on a phone. It looks like a straight line. Of course, it depends on your dimensions of your device. But anyway, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's go through our positions right now and see what's up, see what's down, and see what's going on. Okay. Tomorrow morning, the CPI will be here with you live. Thank you, Mike, for being on Twitch, keeping Twitch alive as well. That's very important. Twitch gets us a lot of views and new subscribers. Thank you to everyone on Twitch, keeping it going. We are at 12. Gift a sub now for to be number one. There's a competition running in Twitch right now, gifting a sub. Anyway, if you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, Amazon Prime Gaming, it's completely free, and every first Friday of the month we give away a cash prize to our Twitchers. It's free, so you might as well follow me on Twitch. Let me give you the Twitch. For some reason I've just scrolled right past it. Here it is. We've got 12 subscribers right now. If you subscribe to me, the money I get in ad revenue in subscriptions, I give away on the first Friday of the month. All right. Okay, we're looking at Rocket Labs. We are researching it at the moment. Let's go on to our next one. The S&P 500, we're up today, 1.24. 51% of my money is in here. So you can see I'm up $164 today on the S&P, just 1.24%. But I'm very, very happy about that. Okay, going on to Virgin Galactic, the story of the day really, up 6.24. It's dropped back a little bit. I have a small position. I used to have 2,000. However, I did have a lot of margin, so we don't have any margin anymore. So this is my real money. This is a real, in proportion, if you like, 2.72 of my portfolio. I've got more money coming in. Are we about to see Virgin Galactic go up big time, go back to its $30, $40 a share? We shall see. Virgin Orbit also is up today, 1.2. I'm down very slightly. We've got a position to buy more if it goes lower. Rivian, also we're in. We've got an order to buy if it goes lower. We've got these orders in for tomorrow because tomorrow we are looking at a potential drop. We want to be invested, but we also want to be prepared in case we get a big drop tomorrow. We don't know which way it's going to go. The CPI expected could be going down, but we don't know. So we want to be invested, but we also want to have a plan to buy on the drop. Some people are still predicting another 30% from here. I can't see it personally, but some people can. We shall see. Amazon, I've just had a break-in news for Amazon. It's just gone up. Lucid's up. Let's carry on looking. Apple, 5%. Amazon's up today. There we go. Look at that. I'm just 5% out of the money right now on Amazon. Really nice. Daniel Flandry just subscribed. Thank you ever so much, Daniel, for becoming a subscriber to the channel. All right, here we go. Welcome, everybody. Just 5% out of the money now on Amazon. It's very, very expensive, but you do want to hold Amazon. It's trading at 80 times earnings. 80 times earnings. So at the end of the day, folks, it's very, very expensive. But Amazon could return And for me, I want to hold it on my portfolio. It's 17% of my portfolio, one of the most successful companies in the world. I want to own it, and the stock price will grow into its value, or the other way around, the value will grow into its stock price. That's what I should say. McDonald's, I've only got one share. I made my profit on it. I'm looking to buy some more when it goes back down again. The same as Coca-Cola. That's had a nice little upswing today. I'm looking to get some more. I'm pretty much out of the stock at the moment. Let's move along. Let's bring some of these comments on the screen. Who have we got here? Good evening, everyone, says Crag. I bought 15,000 shares of Lucid. 15,000 shares. I only wish I had that sort of money. Mohammed, perhaps you might like to become a sponsor of our channel, be a sponsor level. I know you talked about being a platinum member, and then I can promote your business, your company as a sponsor on the channel, so I can invest more money and you can get publicity out of it. So something to think about. If you are watching right now and you think I'd like to be a member of this channel, here is the invitation to join. Discord is free. I'm going to give that to you as well. Below every video are all our links to all the things you need as well. So always look below in the description of the video and you'll see all the things you need. There's a Discord link right there. Okay. Hey, says Bill, XRP. We sold our BSV today. We're out of BSV. It's being delisted from Robinhood. I can't sit around owning that. It's pointless. Roger Fouchon, I still have 3,000 shares of Virgin. Oh, I only wish. Only wish. I had 2,400 at one point. I had to sell it. I'm out of it at the moment anyway. I still got my 3,000 shares. I bet you're very happy today, aren't you? Aren't you happy today? Up 6.3, up to 13% this week. Very nice indeed. AIM going up, says Shin Dynasty. That's Bill. Keep powder dry. You want some money on hand? Well, I can share with you. I've got a decent amount of money on hand. If you look at my buying power, it says I have 312. Well, I actually have more than that. I have $2,256. $2,569 waiting to be deployed if we get drops, if we get significant drops. Okay, if we don't, the money just sits there. I've also got some money in my Roth IRA. That's having a good day as well. The buying power is there, 462. 456 is earmarked to be invested. So my overall portfolio is now 35.8, getting up. Been a great year so far. Been a great year so far. If we look at the year to date, 3.96. Been a great year. Very, very happy so far this year. Looking good. Okay. Let's get back into the trades. If I owned a company and anyone offered me 80 times earnings valuation, I'd bite their hand off. I know we've discussed this before, haven't we? We would use the Coca-Cola analogy if you owned a can of Coke. Yes, bye-bye, BSV. Ha-ha. Yes, it's gone. It's gone off Robinhood. I sold it today. There it is. I sold it all. There you go. We had a little pop. I sold it pretty much. Oh, let me show on the screen. I sold it pretty much that mid-range pop there, and I'm out. It's going back down again. I can't see what good news is there to keep BSV up. There is none. There is none. Simple as that. So I can't own something that's just going to keep going down. Makes no sense. Bav Mystery. How are you, Bav? Great to see you here. Evening all. Says Bav. All right. Virgin Orbit had a going sideways today. We're going to start buying back in there. Rivian going down at the moment. Tilray is up. Shall we look at Tilray? Mohammed McKine, one of our new gold members. I sold half my position. But I do still have 243. I'm up 7%. I'm very happy with that. I'm up. I'm holding it. And the portfolio is still rising. This could be a fake out, though, a bear market rally. We're still in a bear market, folks. We're not in a bull market yet. There's my portfolio. You can see it going up now at 34,277. Look into Astra, ASTR, Valentine C. I can review a stock, make a video on it, promote it, even buy it if you are a YouTube member. If I get chance, I will, but I have to focus on my members. It's why 95% of my live viewers are members. There's the invitation to join. Total up to date, 10.52%. Very, very nice indeed. Your overall portfolio is up 10.52. You might win day trade of the day. You don't have to buy it. I understand. I understand what you're saying. I know I don't have to buy it. I'm just saying these are the services that I provide. And I review a stock. And I start with reviewing the stocks for the... Oh, wow. We've just had a huge... another lift off on our channel. Look. We've just gone through 6,040 subscribers, growing very, very quickly here on the channel. Thanks, everybody. Thank you very much indeed. Right, let's see if we can get our likes up to 100. If we get 100, we're doing another cash giveaway today. There's 14 likes at the moment, and we've just started the show, so looks good. Now then. For those of you who don't know, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Here's my TV studio. Every night I have music coming out. None tonight, though. None tonight. We had a premiere yesterday, and if you missed it, here is the song from last night. It was The Sounds of Silence from my studio. Here it is in the chat right now. Okay. Okay, there we go. I've just posted it in the chat for you, okay, if you're interested. And yesterday's playlist, that's just a couple of days old now, starting to go viral a little bit. Not fully viral, but we're starting to get some good views on it. There is my YouTube playlist. Check it out. Okay. Rocket Labs. VU. The S&P 500. Are we going to... In fact, I'm going to run a poll now for all my members. Are we going to get a red or green day tomorrow? CPI in the morning. Start a poll. Here we go. Tomorrow, red or green day? What do you think? Tomorrow. What do you think tomorrow with the CPI report coming out? I will show you what we're expecting, what the market is expecting. Let's see if it happens. CPI tomorrow. Let's have a look. Let's bring it up. CPI. The core. Let's look at the core rate year on year. Okay, this is what we're looking at tomorrow. The current rate is 6%. We're expecting 5.7 tomorrow. Now then, what do you think? Let me bring the 6 months chart up. You can see how it's been coming down. What do you think tomorrow? 5.7? If we get that, it'll be great. Hoping for red. We all love red days because we got to work on red days. What do you think tomorrow? CPI. Is it going to go down tomorrow? And we're going to get a rally, or are we in for a surprise? In fact, the CPI is not going down. What do you think? What do you think tomorrow? So let's have a look. The markets are all pumping now. DSSE just subscribed. So here we go. Red or green day tomorrow? I'm going to ask you, what do you think? It'll be a very, very green day if the CPI comes in below 5.7. It'll be a very red day if it comes in above 6. So that's basically the question of the day. All right. Bav Mystery says red. We're getting a heck of a pump today. Is it a bear market rally? Should we sell everything now? Sell everything and buy it back tomorrow? What do you think? Good afternoon all, says Ed Nevius. I think tomorrow is bullish, says Mohammed McKine, one of our gold members. Thank you very much indeed. Royalty in the house with all our gold members today. I hope it's green. Of course, red days are better, though. Red days are when you can buy the dips and buy stocks cheap. Green days, you don't do anything. Green days, you don't buy. Green days, you hold and sell. That's basically all you do. How do we answer the question? How do you answer the question? It's a poll. The poll is right in the chat, and the question says, red, tomorrow, red or green? Oh, I see. I made a mistake. I did it wrong. That's ridiculous. Yes, sorry about that. Yeah, how do we answer? Bootsy, you're correct. I did it wrong. That was awful. I apologize for that. Start a poll. I'll do that again. How do we answer? And I was thinking, what are you on about? It was me. I was wrong. Tomorrow, red or... I'll try it again. Thank you for saying so. I would have missed that. Tomorrow, red or green day? Red or green? There we go. That's a bit easier to understand, isn't it? Oh my gosh. LOL, red or green day? Yes or no? Yes or no? All right, you need to rephrase the poll. Yes, now everyone's all over it. Look, 1 second and everyone's all over it. Can you believe it? I could wait till tomorrow. Sold a lot today, says Bav Mystery. Red, yes. Green, no. You asked it wrong. Look, everyone's all over me now. Snap out of it, says Bill. Thanks for that, Bill. Don't be scared tomorrow. Green, scared. Money makes no money. Well, yes, true. But we need to have a plan though. If it does go down, I think it's blind just to think everything just goes up. We've had a year of it going down. Anyway, I'm up 1.91. We're getting a rally. Okay, it's time for a quick commercial break. If we get 50 likes on the video, 100 likes, we're giving away a cash prize during the show. There is the subscribe and ring the bell. There it is. And if you smash the like button as well, let me give it to you right now. Here is the... my computer's going slow a little bit now. Let me get rid of that. Oh dear. There we go. Smash the like button. Computer's going slow at the moment. 1,000 things going on at once. Right, if we get to 100 likes, we will give away a cash prize on the show. Red says 56%. Oh, it's very, very much on the line, isn't it? Okay, here we go with a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Just 10 seconds, folks. Okay, you can sponsor this space. If you're a YouTube member and you choose membership sponsor level, you can sponsor this space. I'm on 20 platforms at the same time, 10 hours a day, and you can sponsor that space. How very cool would that be, right? There you go. Consider becoming a member of my channel. Can you talk about Tilray? What does the company do? Tilray, okay, medicinal cannabis. Medicinal cannabis, we believe it's going to be a $40 stock, particularly when we get legalization, full legalization. It will be another year. We were expecting it possibly the end of last year. It never came. It looks like another year. However, Tilray Brands isn't just medicinal cannabis, all right? Its products include alcoholic beverages and other things. So it's a whole brand. It's not just medicinal cannabis. It's a whole array of products. So Tilray Brands, we believe, when it gets full legalization, which it will in the USA, that is, yes, it will be a $40 stock. We've got some very bullish people here who have hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Tilray. I used to have about $2,000 worth. I sold it. I made a profit. I'm now up 7.5%. This is my actual position. That's my actual money. There it is on the screen. You can see how much I've got. A very small position at the moment, but it's 2.3% of my portfolio. Jomper, you are very, very welcome. Jomper Alpinia, consider becoming a member to my channel. Let me give you the link. And if you've got any YouTubers this afternoon that want me to promote their channels, become a member in today's live show. And I've got a special extra treat for those of you that are YouTubers as well. All right, let's carry on. Let's see where we are on likes right now. We're at 20 watching, 20 likes. Okie dokie. That's 100%. Very quiet afternoon. Why is it so quiet? Everyone afraid of CPI tomorrow? That could well be the case. Let's see how we go in the morning. We're going to be here nice and early, as always. Well, the same usual time. Tomorrow morning, of course, it's CPI day. We'll be here. And I'm quite excited about it, to be honest. If it goes down, I'm prepared to buy more. If it goes up, we'll have a nice day. So should we be taking profits? 57% now, 55% say a red day tomorrow. We're looking at Rocket Labs getting further in. The S&P is up 1%, 1.32. Legal in Canada. It is legal in Canada. Correct. It's legal in Germany as well and other parts of Europe. So it's coming. Virgin Galactic up today 6.33. It was up as high as 8.81. Very good. Like it to. I could sell it now, take a profit, and buy it back lower. If we go down tomorrow, Goldman Sachs will buy a firm. Valentin C has just said. Thank you. Welcome to you. Now then, if you want to call into the show and be part of the show, you can call in. Here is my Discord link. It's free, but if you want the exclusive channels, then you need to be a YouTube member. Okay. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Going sideways. It's not in Sweden, but I smoke some. Have to visit Canada. Yes, you too. Rivian is going up. At Tesla, we want to buy some more. I sold half my position of Tesla. I want to buy some more. Lucid is down at the moment. Sorry, up to the 8.9. I want to buy some more. Apple, that's my Roth position. I haven't got any in my Roth at the moment. It's very expensive, but I do want to buy it in my Roth, definitely. But this is my brokerage position. My brokerage position has $5,000 worth. I'm down 9% on it, though. Still got a way to go. We're not there yet. Amazon, just 5% now out of the money. 5%. Very, very nice indeed. I could wait to get my money back on a wash, and I've got $5,000 to buy something else. It is very, very, very expensive. However, many people feel it's really worth the investment because a lot of money, a lot of investment and growth is going into Amazon, and they're going to be a lot bigger next year. Looking forward to a Martyn's crypto portfolio. Ali Tisro, we have to speak today about that. So call me straight after the show if you're available. Ali is a gold member. Ali has 2 hours of video calls a month with me as part of his perks. And we are looking at doing a crypto portfolio, and we'll explain it all, but we need to discuss it first, Ali. Okay. Amazon is up today. McDonald's moving up now as well. Coca-Cola having a nice rebound today. I've got very, very small position. I've sold it all. I made a profit before. It's still very expensive, but I do have another position in my Roth. I've got a bit bigger there. Look, I've got 5 shares there, and that is up today, 0.15%. There we go. Very, very nice indeed. That's my long-term position. I will never pay any taxes on that. $7,000 a year. I hope to max out every year between now and when I retire, which will be never. I'm never going to retire anyway. J&J is also moving up. I've got a small position on my brokerage account, but I do have a little bit on my Roth. As you can see, that's also up today, 0.25%. Very nice indeed. Alphabet, Google today is up 4.3%. Let me check the news if we've got any breaking news for you. Uranium alert. Okay, we've got a uranium alert right now. Let me have a look at this. What's going on here for you? Some breaking news just come out.
Who the material was for is not known, nor its intended use. The contamination, perhaps the result of poor handling, or was it something more sinister?
Just bringing you some breaking news here.
Being used as a toxic
just bear with
hub.
me.
What it may mean is if London is being used to trade and prove and capability of what can be sold, this is very serious. And if so, it's an indicator of part of the weapons being increasing.
So far, no arrests have been made, but counter-terror police say they'll follow every avenue to establish how this happened and undeclared...
I apologise, it's muted.
Been deadly.
There we go.
Ivor Bennett, Sky News.
Sorry about that, folks. That wasn't very good.
Okay, let's take a look at the weather for you now.
Sorry about that, folks. That didn't work the way I intended it to. That didn't quite work out the way I intended it. We had a slight glitch there, and it didn't come through. Apologise for that. We'll try that again. Microsoft is up today, 2.38. Let me read some of these comments. Rates will still have to rise significantly. Must reach restrictive levels. Bav mystery. We've still got some potential danger tomorrow. Powell said history warns against prematurely loosening policy. Breaking statement here. So Powell has said history warns against prematurely loosening policy. So there's going to be no rate cuts in the near term. This is quite old news. Uranium found on commercial airliner in the UK. Okay, well, I just said breaking news, so it's a bit like my breaking news, isn't it, 22? You like to have fun with my breaking news, yeah? Yeah, before New Year, not really news. Okay, folks. All right, sorry about that. Sorry about my breaking news is old news. There you go. Walmart is... in fact, just want to try these as we're looking at this. I got my bifocals today. I got rid of the progressives. Now I've got bifocals. Look at that. So essentially, I can look at my keyboard and I can look down at things. So there you go. I don't think I need that for in here. I don't think I need that in here. Do I need that in here? No, I don't think I need that in here. It's clearer without, because the computers aren't that close. Anyway, Walmart. Tesco on the way up again. Next Extra Energy. Enphase Energy. Elton John give you those. No. Okay. Meta. Coming back down again today. Look at Meta. 132. Look how high it reached. Let's have a look. You just pan that out a little bit and see how Meta did. I bought Meta at 99, if you remember. Look at that. 5% this week. Let's look at it over the month. Had a great month, really. There we go, 15%. But everything's rising at the beginning of the year. At the moment, we're seeing a nice little run on everything. It doesn't mean this is going to last. There you go. I bought it down here. So I sold it. I made a profit. Everyone jumping on Martyn's breaking news stick. Yeah. They're all getting on it. They're all watching the show. You know it. You know it. I love that. Brilliant. Fantastic. Very, very funny. 22. Very funny. Hey, Martyn, it's getting better with your voice. Yes, I feel a lot better today. The coughing, I think I'm past it now. I think I'm past the worst of it. Right. Just to let you know, still there. I ain't gone anywhere yet. You think I've gone? I ain't gone anywhere. Okay. So then, it's half on the hour, which means it's time for a commercial break. If we get to 100 likes in today's show, we will give away a $10 cash prize. There we go. So if you're over on TikTok, come and join us. Okay. Martyn, can I have a channel? Can I have a channel on your Discord? You can have a channel on my Discord if you are a silver member. It's a silver members perk. It's not a bronze members perk. It's a silver members perk. Bav Mystery, are you a silver member? I can check if you're a silver member. But if you are a silver member, I can upgrade you. I can't see here. I have to go and check. But Bav Mystery, you can have a channel on my Discord if you are a silver member. Oh, thank you. Not silver yet. Yes, then you can have your own channel. You can upgrade at any time, and you can have your own channel, and you can talk about anything you want. It doesn't have to be about stocks. It could be anything you want. Yes, Church of Logic, you as a silver member can have your own channel. If you are a silver member, you can have your own channel on Discord. Share your stocks, your trades, or talk about anything you want. Anything you want. Church, you've never requested it. You have to request it. There's a channel in Discord which says request a channel. So it's your own fault if you don't check these things out, don't take advantage of all these wonderful things that I give to you. It's your fault. And it is create a member channel. See, you don't even look. It's your own bloody fault. What's that? Look, what's that on the screen? Create a member channel. So there it is. If you want to go into that channel there, you can say, I would like a channel, and I can give you a channel if you are a silver member. Of course, we've got people in here saying stuff about other stuff which should be in other places, like the general chit chat. But never mind, it is in there. So if you are a silver member, you can request it. So church, go and request it, and I will give you your channel. Tell me what you want to call it, and then you can post whatever you like, and then people can follow that specific channel. So if they want to hear about you and what it is, you can have that information. Okay, we're at 1.87 right now, looking nice. Hey Mike, how are you, mate? Says Paddy. Up 1.85, looking nice. Now then, this is only for the members. Only for the members. It's a public thing, but only the members would probably be interested in this. Okay. Those of you that are supporting my own platform, Live Streamer Cafe, and you want to support all the artists that are on it, this is especially for you. We had a wonderful artist come on today on Live Streamer Cafe and give us an amazing review. Very, very kind. Here is the video. If you want to go and have a listen to it at the end of today's show or whatever, leave a comment. She was called Dia. I believe from the Philippines. There is a video. It's like 2 minutes long. And if you want to leave a comment and a like, watch it. There it is. She gave a great review to our channel. So if you are a fan, that's for my real friends that want to support my other things, that want to help people out. It's not for everyone that's here trading and investing. But if you want to help us out and help somebody out who's streaming, there is their little video. It's a couple of minutes long. Have a little look at that. Okay, all right. We got a comment here. Let me have a quick look. And I had a comment here. James Owen. James Owen says, any tips on starting out trading like this? I'm not sure where to start, and I don't want to rush into it. Should I be investing in brands like Coca-Cola that among long-term investments? James, just very, very quickly. Luckily for you, you have come across the most honest, real, genuine YouTube channel in this space. My aim is to grow the best, most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. It's not financial advice. This is my real life experiences. I was actually voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio where I do live music and so on. But by the daytime, I like to invest and trade and so on. And we're building up a community of real investors, very small to very large. But everyone has to be real and honest. We don't pump, dump, promote, hype, anything. What we do is share our real life experiences, and we go live every day, 10 hours a day. And we have this channel to help people. I have grown my portfolio from $5,000 to where it is today, live on the show. And now I make a living of being on YouTube in just a year and a half. This is how I earn my living, doing this investment program with you. You don't have to pay for anything. It's all free. If you want to be a member and get exclusive perks, you can. And you will notice we have the highest engagement rate of any YouTube channel. I have checked, even more than Mr. Beast, the biggest channel in the world. 95% of our live viewers are members. For a couple of bucks a month, you can get our membership program, which gives you many, many perks. You don't have to. You can watch for free, but here is the invitation to join. And I guarantee if you join right now, if you are a YouTuber, and it looks like you are, I have a special gift for you just by you becoming a bronze member, which is just a couple of bucks. And I promise you, you will love it. And that's why everyone's a member. And I guarantee if you become a member right now, I have a special gift for you and you will love it. We have cash prize giveaways every week. And we share each other's trades. We have top tips. that our investors do, and they share them on Discord. That's free. Everything here is to help and support people. All right? And I've never seen Mr. Beast. Yeah, he's got 110 million subscribers, and 9% of his live viewers are actual members, which is a bloody lot. But mine is 95%. We are growing the most engaged channel on YouTube. People watch this show on average on average 3 hours and 3.5 hours a day. I'm live 10 hours a day, up to 10 hours a day, and most of my viewers, on average, watch 3.5 hours a day. So that is way more, way more. I don't think any channel has that sort of viewership. That's more than Netflix. Anyway, it's because we're always live, and we're always real, and we're here to help people, okay? So James Owen, let's give James a welcome. He's a guest at the moment. Let's see if he becomes a member of our channel. But would everybody please put your city and country in and welcome James Owen into the show today. Anyway, I've just got a couple of you who have left a message on Livestreamer Cafe. Thank you so much indeed. Here's the video. Go and check out this video. I posted it earlier. A lovely young lady gave us a great testimonial, and if you're interested in supporting what I do, go and have a little look at that. All right. Hi James, UK here. There you go. He's getting a welcome there from XRP Token. Is how you need to be disciplined, Andrew. Yes, discipline is the most important thing. Structure and patience. But the most important thing is not be influenced by YouTubers. And I mean it. Even me. All right? We're not here to influence. We're here to share our real trades. James, what you're looking at is my real money. All of my real money. I only have $1,500 in my checking account, $1,500 in my savings account, and that minimum amount is so I don't pay any fees. That is my day-to-day running bills. Every month I earn from YouTube and do a few gigs, and I bring in $2,000 a month into my portfolio. You see all of it go in here. You see what I buy, what I sell as I do it live. Okay? That's what it's all about. A diverse portfolio, stocks you understand, buy when they're down, sell when they're up. These are all obvious statements to make, of course, but I'm just making those points. All right. We've got just 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Orbit. Tomorrow morning, CPI. If tomorrow morning... here's Christopher Marantet, just popped in from Livestreamer Cafe. Hi, James. We're too stoned up here in Canada to wave. Hello. There we go. Hiya, Chris. How are you, mate? He's over there on LSC. Wonderful stuff. All right. So if we get 100 likes today on the video, we're going to give away a $10 cash prize. We've got 25 likes. Let's fix that right now. We've got 36 watching, 25 likes. We want 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here it comes. 30 likes in 1 minute. Smash the like button. We want to get 100 likes by the end of the show so we can give a cash prize away. Here we go. 1 minute from now. Let's bring in Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. Here we go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. Come on then. Smash the like. Let me share with you how many likes we've got. We need 26, 27. We just need... there we go. We just need 30 likes in 30 seconds. 29. Nearly there, look. 29. 28 seconds to go. 30. Yeah, we did it. Right. Brilliant stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go back to the trades right now. Whoops. Trying to clear the screen. My computer's going slow. It doesn't like when I do extra work during the day. Am I going to get the timer out? Don't think so. It beat me. There we go. There we go. Awesome. I didn't quite get the screens to refresh in time there, but never mind. 33 likes. Thank you, guys. We did it. Right, back to our live position right now. Let's see what we got. We're up to 34,258. Our overall position is 35,907. This is our overall portfolio. Space, FOMO, fear of missing out. That's a very good way of explaining what is going on right now. You're absolutely right. A lot of that is going on. A lot of retail investors. We could get we could get a drop tomorrow. No question about it. That could easily happen tomorrow. This is our space right now. Look, it's at 426. I'm holding it. You need an M2 MacBook Pro now. Yeah, this was the 2019. Was the most expensive, top of the range computer with the maxed out memory and everything else I could get at the time. Maybe I do need one. I don't know, Chris. We'll talk about that. I'd like to know your thoughts on that, the spec with this, and we'll compare it. I think it still compares to the new one, but it's 2 years old now. Anyway, here we go. The S&P is now at. Oh, hang on a minute. This is what I want to look at. Yes, we're up 1.86. I'm investing 48.70. I'm at 48.70. On what? I'm at 48.70. That doesn't make any sense. Flutter Edits, what do you mean you're investing at 48.70? Nothing comes close to the M1 Max or the M2. Look at the MacBook Pro, all maxed out, Chris. In fact, you could do that for me. And I know you got nothing else to do. Look at the 2019 maxed out MacBook Pro. The only thing that wasn't maxed out was the hard drive. I didn't need like 4 terabytes of hard drive on board. Everything else is maxed out. Tell me how it compares. Because if I've got a 16-inch 2019 maxed out. Perfect. So you know then. It was about, what, $3,500 US. Is that the same one? I think it was like $3,500. So you think the M1 Max or M2 is better, yeah? It doesn't matter. The new chips blow anything out of the water. I did 80 on the A30 again to get home in time for the closing bell for Martyn Lucas Channel. The missus wasn't happy. There you go. That's what we're talking about. Dedication. Right? I did 80 on the A30 to get home for the Martyn Lucas show. Man City getting pumped 2-0 by bottom of the league Saints. Ha ha, Bootsy. Is that relevant to our channel? Is that relevant? But we like it, right? We like it. We'll share it. Okay. So you think so, yeah, Chris? You think it'll make a difference, do you? LOL. Yeah. Church is going, yeah. What's it got to do with anything? Just a random thing. It's no contest. The M1 Max or M2 are in the world of their own, leaves the Intel junk in the dust. All right. How much is it? Chris? Andrew, you were late. Yeah. Don't come on here saying you were driving 80 mile an hour down the road and that's good enough. No, you're still late. Right, 57% say red. So, if that's the case, should I sell everything that now I'm up and buy it all back tomorrow? Big gamble. Who reckons I should sell my entire portfolio and buy it back tomorrow? Anybody? Just about everything is green. Yeah, I should have done 120 miles per hour. My wife's new MacBook Air M2 destroys my maxed out MacBook Pro. Do a poll. On what? Do a poll on what? Bootsy, you are a member of our channel. You can have a poll. So if anybody wants to request a Discord channel, if you are a silver member, you can. I've seen nobody request a channel. You live in Germany or something. You live in Germany or something. You should sell the portfolio. Oh, should I sell the portfolio? Okay, here we go. Let's end it right now. Let's do it right now. Here we go. So we will do this. We will do a poll right after a quick commercial break. Here we go. Back in 10 seconds from now. There's a bit of a delay today on the computer. I'm struggling a little bit. Come on. Why are you going so slow? I'm waiting for the screen to go out. I need a new computer. How much is it, Chris? $10,000. Oh my gosh, he won't even play a scene. I can't even get this scene out. All right, here is my quick commercial break without a scene change. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can... Oh, there we go. There we go. You can sponsor this space in this gap right now if you are a YouTube sponsor member. All right. Now I can't get out of it. I'm in the dark. I'm still here. Don't go away. I'm just waiting for the computer to come back. I'm still here. There I am. Oh my gosh. It's chaos today on the show. All right. So we're going to do a poll. We're going to do a poll. Start a poll. Should, hang on, here we go. Should I sell my entire portfolio and buy it back tomorrow? Should I sell my entire portfolio? Yes or no? Okay, you ready? Should I sell my entire portfolio? Bloody hell. 16-inch MacBook Pro M1 Max, 10-core CPU, 32-core GPU, 32 gigs, unified memory, 16-inch liquid retina, 3,004. So it's the same price. Yes, sell your portfolio and buy us both these Macs. That's a plan. That's a plan. 3,499. Right, there you go. No says 64%. Roll everything into Mullen for a week. That's what I did. Oh, yeah. I tell you what, let's take a trip to Vegas and put everything on red. And if it wins, I'll buy everybody a MacBook. If it loses, I'm on the street. That's the top of the range. The most expensive laptop. Okay. Chris, how new is that? Is that the very latest one? Is that the very latest one? I am struggling. Damn right, live a little. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's sell everything. Nits, did you see your video last night? Nits, did you see your video last night? Your very own video? Did you like it? Right, for all of those of you, this is only for the real Lucasades, the fans of the show that really want to support everything we do. As you know, we're trying to help people who lost their income on sessions, a service shut down. We built LSC, our own platform. And here is this video that just came out an hour ago. And a young lady was singing and saying wonderful things about us. Go and have a look at the video and leave a comment. I'd love your thoughts. She left an amazing compliment for us on Livestreamer Cafe. Go and check that out. I've just put it in the chat for you. All right. Going for 3-4 green tomorrow. Going for 3 out of 4 green tomorrow. Rocket Labs. We're looking at Rocket Labs. We're interested. We're doing some research on it at the moment. I say we, my team. My team is me sitting here researching stuff. So yeah. Anyway, we've got 9 minutes to go. We're up 1.98. Is this a pump and dump for the morning? This is hell of a rally, folks. I tell you now. We've had greater rallies than this, I have to say. We're up 1.98. Let's have a little look. The overall position now, we're lifting off quicker and quicker by the second. Rocket Labs tweeted today, they launch on the 23rd. I've seen that too. Oh, you seen it? You seen your video, your very own video. All right. There you go. See, 34,300 is now actually 35.9, nearly 36 grand. It's a rally on nothing at all, says 22. It's a rally on nothing at all. This is my overall position. As you can see, my Roth and my brokerage account all in one. So I'm maxing out 7 grand. So you will see, wow, it's going up again. Now, what is moving? Let's see what is moving on the portfolio. What is driving everything up right now? Let's have a look. Have a little look. The S&P 500 is up 2% on VU. We've got Rocket Labs. I'm up 2.85. We've got the S&P is up 1%. I'm at 1.35 now. $181 now. Excuse me. Hi, Ali. Ale, how are you? Right, how many likes have we got now? Am I giving away any free money? 38 likes. No free money. Now, for all of you watching the video right now, if you've not yet done this, every Friday I give a cash prize away. Plus, we have lots of other wonderful things in our newsletter. It's free. Free to enter, free to receive. You don't have to be a member. Here is our newsletter. We've got top tips. Some of our traders and investors sponsor it, and they share with you information. We have lots of information for you. There's our email, our weekly newsletter. Sign up for that. It's completely free, and you need to verify the email. The email will go into your junk folder. It always does, because it contains the word cash prize draw, and it's a newsletter. So go into your junk folder and look for the email, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Okay. When you click on the link, it'll bring you to this page here. You'll see it, and you can sign up for it. This is the all links page I'm going to bring up to you when the computer decides to share it to you, and you'll see it come up in just a couple of seconds. SPY is overbought, says Church of Logic. I think so. Just bear with me, and the screen will come up in a second. I've got to fix this problem. This can't continue like this. Why it's going slow like this today. Let's have a quick look. Neptunian. There we go. There's the all links page. If you scroll down here, you will see my all links. And what you do is you put your email in here and verify. The email will be sent to you, verify, and it goes out 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT on Sunday. So you've got between now and that time on Sunday, and these are all my links to my social media and all the free stocks we give away as well, all the freebie stuff if you want any of those gifts there. Okay? Okay. SPY is overbought. Let's have a look. Wow, we're going up. We're accelerating now. We're accelerating. Max Studio 20 core M1 neural engine 64 unified memory is only. I thought you said the Max Studio is that like a tower? Isn't that the tower rather? Anyway, Chris, can we talk about this? I want to talk to you about all this after the show, because you know all about this stuff. Right. We're now at 2.16. 5 minutes to go. Is this a bear market rally? Is it a pump and dump for tomorrow? Look, 73% of you say no. Should I sell my entire portfolio? No. I'm up on everything now. If I go onto my phone, I should be able to share with you my entire portfolio, and we'll have a look. We'll see what I'm up. Sure. Thanks, Chris. I'll call you right at the end of the show. I'd love to talk to you. Yes, it's a pump and dump, says Neptunian. Yeah, it looks. Here we go. Look, here's my portfolio. We are up to date in VU. VU is now green. Space is green. Vorb, I'm out of the money. Rivian is green. Tesla is green. Lucid is green. These are the overall. If they're green on the right, that is my overall position. Overall position. Amazon and Apple, you can see I'm still out of the money. I'm up in McDonald's. Coca-Cola, I'm up. J&J, I'm up. Google, I'm up. Look, a lot of green. These are the all-time positions, as you can see. So a lot of green there. Robinhood, Rocket Labs, SoFi, Tilray, IonQ. They're all up. They're all in the green. Should I sell my entire portfolio? Look at that. 34,000. The overall is now 36. We've hit 36. We're back at 36. And this is without margin, folks. There's no margin here. If I can make this is real growth. Remember, we just touched 50,000 with $50,000 of margin, remember. We're now actually making it with real money, my own money, 36 grand. So I'm very happy with this. Still in, but lower positions. Let's read it out. If there's a good chance to dump, trim off the top of all your green stocks, still in, but lower positions. Any research for space being up so much? Glam drink. No, there is no reason. I've got a lot of people who are talking nonsense on Twitter and YouTube and Reddit saying, oh, they know what's going on. They don't. I talk directly with people who work at Virgin Galactic. I have people that tweet to me. There's no reason for this pump today. None whatsoever. It's the overall markets that are going up. That's why everything's going up. 2 minutes to go. Let's get ready for the clock. Thank you very much indeed. Are we live, Anthony Mallon? Yes, we're live. You can always tell we're live because there's a red glow round the video. There's a red glow round the video. You ready? Let's get ready to go. I'll show you how you know we're live. If you look at my icon, there's a red glow round it. All right, there's a red glow round my icon. There's a red glow. That tells you how we're live. Not everyone realizes that. You ready? 1 minute to go. Here we go. Yeah, top tip that. If you're here's an example of what I mean. If you're behind the stream, it's grey, and I will share with you what I mean. That would be real breaking news. Look, see? I am watching it here behind the stream. See how it's grey? It says live, but it's grey. Watch. I click on it. You ready? Now it's live. See how it's turned red? Now it's red. And there's also for you a red glow around the icon as well. Okay? Very important to know. All right, just a few seconds to go now. Ring the bell. My computer's going slow. I just can't get out of it quick enough. There should be a red glow round the live. There should be a red glow around the live, Chris, if you're watching me live. There should be. I'll show everybody on my YouTube channel. Anyway, for your information, no red glow. Hi everyone. Right, the bell is now gone. We're in the after hours, and let's see what happens now. We're still up. Let's have a look. See what's being sold out. Yes, there is a red glow. This is what I wanted to show you, Chris. This is what you should see round the main icon. Chris is going, there's no red glow, and there is a red glow. I don't know what you're I don't know what you're looking at. Look, see? There's on my phone. I don't know if it's on a computer, but there is the red glow. See it? See the little red line round it? That tells you I'm live when there's a red line around it. A red circle. Okay? Amazon, McDonald's, which do you like better? Amazon or McDonald's, which do I like better? They're both very expensive. They're both good. If you want the dividends, you choose you choose McDonald's, but Amazon's got a lot more growth than McDonald's does. McDonald's has got no growth at all anymore. It's called a granddad stock. People like to own it and just leave their money there. So, you know, that's what that's all about. Anyway, the S&P is just down very slightly. Let's look at Virgin Galactic. Let's see if there's any drops in the after hours. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that doesn't show up on the computer. I think it depends what browser you're using, Chris. I think it does I think it does. I'm pretty sure it does actually on some of the whichever browser you're using. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is down slightly. Virgin Orbit is down slightly. Sorry, I beg your pardon. It's up 0.6. I apologise. It's up. Any news on Rivian? I've not got no news on Rivian. Anybody else? It's up 0.06. We've got earnings season coming up next week. It's going to get very busy, of course. We start with earnings season. CPI in the morning. CPI in the morning. Now, tonight, there is no music premiere. I'm working on something new for tomorrow. But tonight, and this is only of real interest to my real friends here, people that just want to support my other projects. As you know, I'm trying to help people who lost their income. A platform went out of business. Sessions went out of business. And we built one. Me and Chris built our own platform. And if you go here, I'll give you a little link right now. A little video here. A wonderful artist today was singing, saying lovely things about us. So I recorded it. So there it is in the chat. If you want to go and click on it, I'd love your comments to that video. And it'll help our other project grow and our artists do well. So thank you very much for having a look at that for me. That's just for my friends here who really who care about helping me out. I saw Stephen Lewandowski did it earlier. Stephen, massive thank you to you. You were the first person from the channel to go over on LSC and leave a comment. That was very, very kind of you. Thanks, Stephen, for doing that. Oh, yeah, says Stephen Rood. Let's bring a guest into the channel. Stephen Rood, welcome to you. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Martin, are you up 5% or more on anything? I'd be tempted to take some risk off. I don't think I am. Even though I'm up big time, I don't think I'm up that much on anything. Shall we have a quick look on the on here? Let's have a quick look. I don't think so. I take what you're saying, but I'm not up 5% on anything, I don't think. Let's have a little look. See if I am. NCLH was my best buy today, up 15.5%. Thanks, Martin. No, thanks to you, Stephen Lewandowski, for going to Live Streamer Cafe and commenting, and I appreciate that very much indeed. Very nice of you. All right, so we're just coming to the end of the show. We didn't get 100 likes, so we're not going to give away a cash prize tonight. Let's have a look on the request of Stephen. Sorry, 22. Let's have a look if any of my stocks are up. If any of my stocks are up 5%, and we'll have a quick look. Tesla dropping after hours slightly. Rivian going sideways. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic. The S&P 500 just flat. Rocket Lab is still going up. We've got news that it's going to fly soon. Interesting stuff. Here, right, here's my phone, right? Okay, so here we go. So, as you can see, the crypto at the top, we sold our BSV. BTC lives on my ledger, so there's nothing there. There's no crypto to be concerned with right now. VU, see, 1%. 5% on space. So 6% on space. Tesla, I'm up 10%. Lucid, I'm up 25%. Very small position. So yes, I do. Yes, I do. Walmart, I'm up 19%, but I only own like $1. Doesn't really count. So most of it, not much to shout out, to be honest. I'm inclined to keep it because I've got dips set. I've got money, 2.5 grand, nearly 3 grand set to buy dips if we get it in the morning. This is not financial advice, but my top tip, it's 7:30 when the show starts, Ali. CPI is when the show starts tomorrow morning, so I will go live 15 minutes early tomorrow morning. As I go live tomorrow morning, the CPI will be released. So I will go live 15 minutes early. 22 made that suggestion. I think was it 22? 22, I think you made the suggestion. You should go early on announcement days. So I'm going to go early tomorrow by 15 minutes, which is 7:15 Central, quarter past 8 Eastern, and 1:15 in the UK. Yes, it was, Mike. I thought so. So we'll be going, because we want to be there to react to it, not as it happens. We want to go early, right? Okay. What time is that? West Country time. No, it's the actual time. And if anybody wants to know at any point what time the shows go live, it's the same time every day. If you look on the video, I don't know if anyone's ever done this. This is the homepage of the YouTube channel. The upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. Look, opening bell, closing bell, opening bell, closing bell. They're all here for you across the screen. And they go live at the same time every day. I always schedule a week ahead, including the following Monday, so we've always got the dates. And the times are in your time zone. So if you click on it, you see mine says 7:30, 2 p.m. every day. Yours will say your time zone. Okay? Very, 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 very easy. Okay, we've come to the end of the show. There is no music premiere tonight. I just ask you to go and check out Live Streamer Cafe video. There it is. Leave a comment for that young lady who seemed to love our platform, which is really nice. Absolutely great. Now, for those of you who are supporting my music channel, we are 3,350. So we're just 650 now away from getting back our 4,000 watch hours. We need to do it by the end of this month to stay from being demonetized. So thank you to all of you who have been doing that. So if you pick one of the playlists on my channel and let it run on loop, hopefully we'll get there by the end of the month and we'll be good. All right? And we'll save our channel from being demonetized. Otherwise, the live concerts can't happen because I can't get super chats or anything at all. I'll be like doing it all for free. All right. And YouTube won't even promote my channel, which would be awful, right? Anyway, Tesla going silent. Is that 4,000 hours? Yes, I need to keep 4,000 watch hours in a 365-day rolling. So it's only because I didn't do videos for a long time because I was focused on this channel. So we need to maintain the 4,000 watch hours. So I will tell you in like about April time, there's about 100 hours all on one day that will drop off. So we need to keep it going, but not as much as you've been doing, or like you've been doing it on loop. We don't need to do that. Once we get past 4,000 hours, we just need to maintain it and keep it above 4,000 hours. And the idea is a channel that is successful keeps growing. It shouldn't ever worry. It's because I didn't do any videos. All right. Tesla is still going up. Yes, it's not. It's not still going up, Anthony Mallon. It's actually down in the after hours 0.04. I could help you make Dorothy fly in a bloody twister, says Mike. Says Ale. Like that. You snooze, you lose. Music is your life. It is. It's really important for me to keep that channel alive. So all of you helping me, it's a massive help. Bill and Mike are and Stephen Lewandowski, I think, they're watching it 24/7. They're watching it all the time. If everyone did that, we'd get the watch hours in the next hour. But those guys are watching it 24/7. Thank you to all of you. I can read algorithm. It is going up. Anthony Mallion, what do you mean by that? I can read algorithm. It is going up. What do you mean? What does he mean by that? I'd love to know exactly what you mean by I can read algorithm. Anyway, it's time to go. I'm going to give Chris a call right now and have a talk about computers. I also want to talk to Ali Tisro. So Ali Tisro, once I've spoken to Chris, could we have a conversation? And for those of you that didn't see the Sound of Silence premiere, the world premiere last night, there'll be another one tomorrow. Here it is. There is the world premiere from last night. And here is the YouTube playlist for those of you that haven't yet seen it. That's in the chat as well. Coming up right now. There we go. Can we have a poll? Hang on a minute. Let's end the poll here. We've got a poll request from one of our gold members. Let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break, and then we'll look at the poll for Ali Tisro and the day trader of the day. So, here we go. Let's have a quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Yeah, whenever. Computer's going awfully slow today. Okay. So anyway, you can be in this space if there's a space here for a sponsor, and you can be in this space and you can actually sponsor this space if you are a YouTube member on the sponsorship program, which is $99 a month. We go live to 20 platforms at the same time, and we're live 10 hours a day, so you can imagine how much publicity your business can get. Oh, there we go, in that space there, in this little blank space here, all right? And now I've got to wait to come back out of the darkness. Oh my gosh, I can scratch my bum now and stand on my head, nobody'd even know. There we go. Let's have a sip of my Coke. I'll be back in a second when the computer decides to come back. Don't worry, I'm still here. I'm sitting here drinking my Coke. If you look on TikTok, you'll know I'm sitting here drinking my Coke. I've got to wait to come back out of the darkness. All right, read the comments. Ali Tisro. Sorry about the darkness. I am here. I will be back in a second when the computer decides to let me back in again. Ali Tisro, there we go. 1 to 5% of a portfolio should be in crypto. What was the poll? What was the poll? Would you support Martyn having a small crypto portfolio? Might be fun to look into once in a while. Okay, Ali Tisro is planning on this. I've actually been approached by several sponsors today asking me to do a similar thing, Ali. So we need to have a conversation right at the end of this show. I will speak to Chris first. Chris, are you still here? I want to speak to you first, and then I'll speak to Ali Tisro. Would you like to see me have a crypto portfolio? It's another element of my channel. So would you like this? We could do special exclusive videos on a separate playlist. We'll pop in from time to time. It won't domineer this channel at all. It won't take over. We won't suddenly become BitBoy or Cryptos Are Us. It'll be a little part of my show, and Ali's going to set it up what I should buy. I buy it, you watch it, and we watch it grow and see how it works out in 5 years or 1 year or whatever it might be. Would you like to see me have a crypto portfolio? So it's in addition. It's not just, it's a little extra feature of this channel. Think it would be good for the channel? What do you think? Would you like to see that happen? A poll in the chat right now. I've got an Ali Tisro portfolio on eToro taken from your 40 to 400,000 challenge. Bootsy's done it. Bootsy's done it. I've got an Ali Tisro portfolio on eToro taken from $40 to 40,000 to 400,000 challenge. There we go. Bootsy is doing it. Bootsy has the Ali Tisro portfolio. Sniffing your coke, says George. I have had too much Karev. Martyn disappeared. Martyn entered a cave. Up 12.45%, says Mohammed McKine. We'll come back and do day trade of the day in a second. Look at Lucid. Let me come back a second to all of this. The bull markets in crypto are massive, and the market is so light right now. Okay, it's true Neptune. Let's have a look. Let's go through and do day trader of the day. S&P is still going up. Virgin Galactic was up, but going down slightly in the after hours, not much. Virgin Orbit going sideways. Flame said, look at Lucid. He's not actually a YouTube member, so I'm not going to feature it, but I will go through it because I have it anyway. It's just going down. It's going down. We won't feature that right now. So 71% say yes. Love this channel. Flames, why don't you become a YouTube member? And then you'll get featured and promoted and so many more things just for a couple of bucks a month. That's all it is. And I guarantee you will absolutely love it. there is an invitation to join should you wish to do so. Please don't turn this show into a crypto show. Please don't. I won't do that. That is not what this show is about. Not at all. Nothing interesting in crypto other than putting your hands together and hoping to strike rich. Church, I understand we're not going to become a crypto channel at all. I think it's relevant, though. I think it's relevant to investing. I think it deserves a place on my channel. It'll have its own playlist. It'll have the Ali Tisro Crypto Challenge playlist, perhaps, and we'll have exclusive content, and we'll see how we go with it. Anyway, 73%. How many people have voted on that? Let me have a look. 26 votes. 73% like it. There you go. 73% like it. GM have 24 lifetime spots left. I have 24 lifetime spots left in my Discord with lifetime free membership. Compliments of Martyn. So if you are a member of this channel, you can see Ed Nevius's Ed Nevius's channel on my server, and Ed Nevius is a supporter of my channel, and it offers you that deal. It's over there on the Discord channel. What's your favourite food dish? A Sunday carvery. Sunday carvery made in England. There is Ed Nevius's tips, and this links to his channel, and you can get all the information. And thank you, Ed, for providing that service to my family here on Martyn Lucas Investor. And there's 24 places left if you wish to get that information from Ed. Mr. Lucas, what's your favourite food? Of course, it's the Sunday carvery. Okay, day trader of the day. Go to your main position. Here's my main position right now, and we'll see who's up today and see who's down. Still holding up. So here's the main position. I am up today 2.2%. Up 2.2%. No cry pro coins here, says Stephen Lewandowski. I'm up 2.2%. When the first person posts, we will do a day trader of the day. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's put the timer up on the clock. Put the timer on the clock. Clock on the timer. The timer on the clock. I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. I've lost the will to live. All right, we are now at plus 6.62. Up 3.38, my biggest profit yet. Oh, congratulations, Andrew Grady. Nice one. Take some profits off the table if it's your first profit. Preserve it. Stephen Lewandowski up 4.5%. Very nice. Craig, I think, is going to go into the lead, however. Mike up 1.71. Nitzfareld is up 3.56. Looking good. Looking good. Ali Tisro. Bootsy, I'm glad you like it. Up 4.76. Bill up 5%. Ali Tisro. Very nice indeed. Looking good. We like it. There we go, up 5%, down 8.7. It's like bloody space, said Bootsy. How are you down on space? How the bloody hell are you down on space? You're the only person in the world who is down on space. How the bloody hell has that happened? You mean you didn't sell it at a profit and buy it back lower? Is that what you mean? Up 2.75. Here he is, Caden Youngquist. Up 1.43. The family squad up 9.27. Dexter Sickles is in the money. I'm just saying, everybody, when everybody makes all this money, super chats are very appreciated. We've had no super chats now for 3 days. I'm just saying, I've been sat here like that 10 hours a day for 3 days. What's going on? What have I got to do? Jump up and do a dance? What the bloody hell? Do you like all this on TikTok? Scroll up, Martin. Your residence. Oh, I've got to scroll up. I've been told to scroll up. Why? What's going on TikTok? I'm scrolling up. What am I seeing? Nothing. I scrolled up and I saw nothing. Your residence, I scrolled up and I saw nothing. Hey! That's what I'm talking about. I don't even know if I can do the sound effects because the whole computer's going rubbish. Will it do it? Will it do it tonight? I don't know. Let me see if I can do it. I've just got a $10 super chat. It's the first one. Make 8 cents a day on YouTube. I know, Caden, how it feels. I'm about $11 a day now. I'm getting there. I know it takes some time. Let's do the. Where are we? Where's me overlays? I'm getting all excited. Stop bloody. Yeah, I know. I'll beg all day long, Andrew. Don't you worry about that. Where is it? Celebrate. This is what I'm trying to do the celebrate screen. My thing's going funny today. There we go. Here it comes. Are you ready? Cheer. Bang. Scroll. The computer's too slow. It's not having the effect. There it is. Boom. There it is. Hey. I love it. I'll beg all day long. I don't care. Andrew Grady. Cheers, mate. Thank you ever so much indeed for the tip as well. There you go. Don't stop bloody begging. Yeah, probably shouldn't do it. Probably shouldn't do it, really. But it worked though, didn't it? You know, it's like a dog, isn't it? I'm like a dog. If you give a dog a if you give a dog a biscuit and it reacts, it does it, and it's going to react again, isn't it? So it's like, hang on. Here's my YouTube income for the month, $1.99. Hey. Caden, at least you're earning some money on YouTube right now. You did it faster than me. By the way, me and Caden don't get on anymore. Me and Caden, by the way, if you think me and Caden are friends, we're not actually friends anymore. Do you want to know why? Because it took me 10 months to get my first paycheck from YouTube. 10 months. 10 hours a day, live every day. He doesn't go live 10 hours a day. He's still at college. He ain't got time for that. And it took me 10 months to get monetized. Caden did it. Caden got monetized in about 4 months. About 4 months. He's already earning money. But I like to think the reason why he got monetized in a fraction of the time is because every one of my subscribers subscribed to him and supported him on day one. Just saying, Caden. Just saying. And they still do, actually. I've noticed actually on the homepage of the channel, if I look at my analytics, people still click on my members are here and Caden's down on this list here, and they still click on him now. So at least you stopped coughing. I know, isn't it good? Listen for the coughing. No coughing. I watch him a lot. Do you? See, Church of Logic watches him a lot. Shorts got me a bunch of dead subs. I told you, useless. Don't even bother with that. Focus on going live. I know it's hard. Focus on doing the community. That is the key to success on YouTube. I don't care what anyone tells you. Hard work is what it's all about. Anyone can make shorts. Anyone can make videos. And if you get lucky, you get one takes off. But I strongly recommend building a community. People that really support you. Caden, that's what it's about. I tell you. Potato soup cured you. Yeah. Privet Martin. Privet's here. How are you, Privet? Great to see you. Privet, private. Privat. I wish I could speak to him. In fact, let me open up the broadcast lounge. And anyone wants to call in, I'm opening it up right now. So the broadcast lounge is now open. That's it. The broadcast lounge is open. It's only open for members, and private isn't actually a member, so he can't call in anyway. So I don't know why I even bothered. I love that song, Whiskey in the Jar. It's a good song, isn't it? Whiskey down the I'll probably go live after your stream just to see how it. Oh well, Caden, I tell you what, me and you can do. There's a feature on my channel and a feature on yours, and you can when you set up a live. A premiere or a live, you can set it to go to somebody else's channel when you finish. Would you like me to do this for you? All right? Go from my show, when I've got a really busy show with hundreds of people watching, right, and send them directly to you. As I end the stream, it can go to you, and you can do the same to me. So you can send your audience to me, I can send my audience to you. It's a new feature on YouTube. It's a really cool feature. Do you know how to do it? You go into your YouTube studio and you create a link to go through. You need to go into your settings and add at this channel, but I think it does ones that you subscribe to now, but they've upgraded it. And you can select one of my premieres. It has to be a premiere, something that's scheduled live, and as you end, it goes automatically to that show. So what you want to do is end as someone is already live, and it goes straight to them. So my entire audience would go to you, and your entire audience would go to me. Pretty cool, right? He's a member on his other page. He is a member. Yes, he is a member. Wow, it's almost like they saw that somewhere, like they called take out your audience. Yes, exactly. We do that exactly same thing on Live Stream Cafe, but we do it even better. And Caden, you said you were going to go live on LSC. Why aren't you doing it? We are growing very quickly now on LSC. We're growing really quickly on LSC now, Caden. You want to get on there quick. Lots of votes. 79% want to see the Ali Tisro experience. Okay, let me show you, Caden, now how many people we've got on LSC. Because you can stream here at the same time. And our takeout is better than YouTube. Because when you send your audience to someone else, there's animation, you go down a tunnel, it's brilliant. And I'm on LSC right now. Look, if I scroll down, this was this video I made earlier, which I've asked all of you to go and watch and leave a comment to. This young lady here, look, she says amazing things about us. Look. Tips, all the money gets paid to her straight away. We're going to hear from Dia in a second, and she'll tell you from her own words what she feels about Live Stream Cafe. You can also follow her and you'll get an email when she goes live. Artists love this platform because it's free and they keep all the money and get paid instantly, way better than anybody else online. So we're going to hear from Dia right now. So please do subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. It really will help Dia be successful on our platform. If you go bronze, silver or gold from $1 a
grow and expand our fan bases, because I think personally, as an artist here, as a new artist here on Live.
Pretty cool, right? So if you want to see that video, go and check it out. I gave you the link in the chat earlier. Look at this, guys. And don't forget, you don't have to be an artist, a singer. You can stream anything, gaming. Look at all the artists that have now signed up. We're taking over Facebook. Look at this. Look, we're better than Facebook. We're better than YouTube. Look at all these guys now signed up. It's all free. They keep all the money. They get paid all the money. And they love it. All right, as you can see. Anyway, back to my trading screen. Let me end the show. It's time to roll the credits now. And we're going to get out of here and roll the credits. I don't mind. I don't know how to multi-stream platforms at once. You need my referral to Ecamm Live, or check out one of my videos on the LSC. It tells you how to do it, Caden. Okay. And if you go into LSC right now, in my channel right now, Caden, Chris will tell you how to do it. He might give you some free pointers. Anyway, he likes helping people out. I haven't got time. I'm too lazy. XRP did well for me today. Mr. Lucas, my wife says I should be a platinum member. She likes your show. How very, very kind of you is that? Yeah, Restream, that's what I use. Caden, here is my link, my referral. If you use my referral to Restream, it gets you a discount. It also gives me a little bit of a bonus as well. But if you go to my All Links page, you know where that is, right? You've seen that before on my All Links button. And there is my Restream link. All right? You can go up to 3 platforms. Yeah, there you go. Restream. You can go for free up to 3 platforms at once. You can. That's the free version, okay? Or you can do the paid version. So use my referral. I've got it here. Let me give it to you now. Restream. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's right here. Too efficient. Private, I am here on my other channel. Hey, there he is. They are Caden. There's the link to Restream. And here's my link to Ecamm Live if you want that as well. If you want to get all professional like me. Want to be like me, do you? I wouldn't be like me if I was you. Be the very opposite of me. Don't do anything I do. I'll figure out the streaming thing. I'm sure you will, Caden. There you go. Private. Hi, Martin. Here I am. I love it. Here he is. Private Privet. See, he does a special title YouTube channel just for me so I can pronounce his name correctly. I do like that. Thank you for doing that. Right. It's after hours now. We're finished. The show's finished. We're in after hours now. Did you see my earlier message? Let me scroll up. Hang on. Let me scroll up. I'm looking. I can't see it. I want to thank you for the super chats, guys. No, I didn't, Privet. Zoom is good. Zoom? No, you can't use Zoom. You can't use Zoom. Bill, don't start confusing people. Speak to you in an hour and a half. Perfect. Ali Tisro, call me in an hour and a half. Chris, on standby. I want to call Chris. I want to talk to Chris now. Restream 3 is 2 streams now. Oh, they've taken it down. Will we hopefully be able to present to everyone tomorrow? Oh, we've got a lot to talk about, Ali Tisro. A lot of work, a lot of regulations and rules to follow on YouTube and compliance and everything. Don't go running ahead yet, Ali Tisro. We have to have a serious conversation before you do. Okay, just steady on. I can post it again. Yes. Yeah. Hurry up. I'm done at work. All right, Chris. Bloody hell. Bloody hurry up. I know a person's account that was shut down because her boyfriend let a video loop crazy amount of times. Hang on. I knew a person's account that was shut down because her boyfriend let the video loop crazy amount of times. I can tell you now, you wouldn't get shut down for doing that. That's not why you'd get shut down. YouTube will never tell you why they've shut your channel down. You might assume it was that, but trust me, it isn't that. Other people can watch my videos on loop as much as they like. It would not shut my channel down. I appreciate you sharing that with me, though. Okay? That is not the case at all, but I appreciate you sharing that. Okay? Saw that. It's a lock-in, says George Semaine. Okay. Right, we're done. Okay, we're done, everybody. Did we do Day Trader of the Day? Yes, we did. Right, I'm going to call Chris now and speak to Ali Tisro shortly. And we're done. Now then, we're back in the morning. It's CPI day in the morning, so join us in the morning. Chris, I'm going to call you now, my friend. Thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much, everyone on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, my website, everywhere else. I listened to you two on loop for 2 hours the other day. I loved it. Bootsy, thank you ever so much, Bootsy. Thank you for everyone that is helping my channel grow here on YouTube. I appreciate it. And wherever you are watching. We're done. It's time to roll the credits. She was a musician. Yes, I understand that. 45 votes, 32 watching. There we go. I love this passion from Ali Tisro. He's like, I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to have my own segment on the channel. I want my own channel on the server. I want to be part of this channel. It's going to be the greatest channel in the world, and I want to be part of it. I love it, Ali Tisro. I'll speak to you in an hour and 15 minutes. Let me end the poll. 46 votes, 78% want to see it. Ali Tisro, we're very excited about it. Take care of yourself and each other. All right, it's time now to roll the credits. Roll the credits. Let's see who gave me a super chat. Let's see who the stars of the show are. Chris, I'll be calling you in a minute, and an hour and 10 minutes from now, I'll be talking to Ali Tisro. We've still got videos to make. So much to do. And let's roll those credits. Here we go. All right, let's see who took part in today's show. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Martyn, for your good spirit and glow, keeping the mood up. Always, we're here to have fun. I'm just trying to bring up the music. My poor computer's saying today, I'm not having it. Oh, there it is. The music's there, right? Let me bring it up. Roll the credits. And it stopped because I pressed it twice. That's all right. I'll start it again. Here we go. End camera. Oh dear, oh dear. My computer, do I need a new computer? Maybe. Let's have a look. Thanks to the support, we've got Super Chats, the Family Squad, Andrew Grady and Caden Youngquist. Subscribers, Daniel Philandri and DSSE. They are the public subscribers. Don't forget, we've got more spaces on Twitch. Some of you have let your subscriptions lapse. We have 12. We should have at least 14. Subscribe for free. It's free using Amazon Prime. Thanks all. See you back in the morning. We will be going live 15 minutes earlier tomorrow. CPI day. We're going to go live 15 minutes earlier tomorrow. So make sure that you are here in the morning, live, 15 minutes earlier. CPI. Why? If we get a bad CPI, the stock, my portfolio is going to crash, and that's okay. We've got all the buys in, ready to rock and roll. See you back in the morning. Have a wonderful evening. Ali Tisro, stand by. Chris, I'm waiting to see you, talk to you, and everybody else, go and check out the YouTube video. Put it on loop. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. I love you all. Thank you for giving me the best journey of my life. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.